Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 3116 South Cascadia. Dates October 21st, 2019. What you're looking at here is 6-inch pipe. This is about 110 feet down the line from the clean out up here on the north side of the house. So we're going to pull back from here. This is a video I'm making after jetting. So we jetted the line, and now we're coming back. So you see a little bit of a loose root there. And there's a plastic repair right there in that section. Cut that guy out. Another plastic repair there. Another turn. Right there is an old downspout, so that's where the gutters used to tie in. That had a big root on that guy, coming in through that abandoned line. There's one more of those as well. It's a good root on that turn as well we cut out. There's a loose one, so that's just sitting in the pipe. That'll go down with the toilet flush. Here's our other downspout line with the big root growing in it. So it's basically just a hole in the pipe now where roots are growing in. There we are. After repair, that's the end of the video.